Hello and welcome to Flotats. In this tutorial we're gonna take a look on how Twitch logo was animated. Okay, let's start by selecting our main shape, the expand one. Go to the search bar and type path, and this will reveal the path property of the shape. Add a keyframe, go 10 frames later and add another one. Now we need to move this shape to the top right corner right here. And to do that, select the pen tool, select our shape and click Ctrl and select all the points we're gonna drag, like so. This will drag it everywhere. We should hold Shift to keep the direction, okay? Let's move it right here. Now let's select the eyes. Click P to reveal the position property, add a keyframe, go 10 frames later and add another one. Now we need to move the eyes like so. Okay, now we need to add the blinking eyes. Select the eyes and click S to reveal the scale property. Add a keyframe at the start and at the end. Now let's move 2 frames after and make the scale 0. Then 2 frames later and it goes back to the same scale. Copy the keyframes and paste. Copy the keyframes and paste them to have a double blink. Let's move this right here in the middle. Now we're having something. To have a smooth animation, select all the keyframes, right click, keyframe assistant and easy ease. And to make the animation more smoother, go to the graph editor, select this and drag to the left, drag this a little bit to the right and you will have a smoother animation. We can drag the keyframes to the right a bit, so we have the faster animation to look like the original one, like so. And there we have it. To have the white background here for the face, just duplicate the expand, go to the contents, group, and delete the outside shape. Then change the color from gradient to white. And there you have it. Now you have a logo animation of Twitch icon. That's it for this tutorial. If you want to download the project file, you can find it in the link in the description. Make sure to like the video, subscribe for more videos like this, leave a suggestion in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.